Hey, in this video, we're building these dividers. And you may say, what are those? These are album dividers. Do you remember what albums are? Vinyl album dividers. Hey, before we get started with today's project, let's talk about safety. Here at Old Guy Woodworks, we take safety seriously. Therefore, we have safety meetings at least once a week. And here's where we have our meetings. Here we sit around and discuss safety issues, and I have my own personal beverage facilitator. And he asked me,
hey, have you ever made any of these album dividers for LPs and vinyl records?
I said, well, how many albums do you have that you need dividers?
Yeah, over my time of collecting, probably about 3,000.
3,000?
Yes, 3,000.
So he procured some pre-finished 1/4-inch cherry plywood, and I cut it into rough chunks to put on the CNC. Bunch of chunks. Now you could do this with a router and a flush trim bit with this template I have here, but I always like using the CNC. I have this custom hold down device. And that way I was able to cut a bunch of these things, 26 to be exact. Cut them to final shape and dimension, and then fixed up this system so I could mass produce each different letter and icon. Here's an up close and personal shot of one of the letters, or actually two of the letters. And also, one of the icons or the symbol. Bet you can't guess what this is for. What's nice about the factory finish is that you can just rub paint in there and it just wipes right off and doesn't even get in the material. And there was a bunch to do. Never underestimate the time you have to spend sanding. Now that they're all sanded, we're going to go ahead and blow out all the dust and all the engraving. Then we're going to wipe them down and give them to the young guy. Here they are, all done. Oops. And here they are, all done. A for AC/DC. B for Bad Company. And smiley face for comedy. Movie reel for soundtracks. $signs for ones they're gonna sell. So remember, stay safe out there. Wear all your protective equipment. So if you like our videos, watch them, subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave a comment.